Good morning, students. This video is being made for you to understand how you can take a picture of your notebook, homework and assignments and then convert it into the PDF format and send them to your subject teachers. So for doing that, first we need to download an application from the Play Store, that is CamScanner. So let's open CamScanner application. So for that, let's go on Play Store and search for CamScanner. Now you can see a list of applications has appeared. In that you have to download this one, Scanner Go Cam Scanner. Just click on that, and downside you can see install button is there. Just click on that install. The application will be downloaded and it will be installed on your device. Now you can see that application has been installed and now we are getting an open button on that. So just click on open, the application will open. Once the application opens, you can see at the bottom you are getting an option continue login with. So here you do not have to log in, you can just click on skip option and then click on skip now. Now your Cam Scanner application is asking for the permission for your smartphone's camera so that it can take picture from it. So you have to click on allow. Then it will ask you for the permission of storage so that it can store the pictures in your smartphone. So you have to click on allow on this one also. Once you have allowed the permission, your Cam Scanner application will start working and you can see the camera has started. So you just have to place your camera on the page which you have to take the picture of. Just try to make your camera still so that the picture doesn't get blurred, and then click on the camera button and the picture will be taken. Once the picture is taken, you can see at the corner of the pages a border has been created. So this border is to adjust that how much part of that page you want to display in the PDF. You can adjust that borders by clicking on the circles and then dragging it. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, so you can take whatever part of the picture you want to take by clicking on the circles which is available on the border of the picture. So you can drag it. Once it is adjusted, you can click on save button. Your image will be processed in the PDF format and it will be displayed. Now if you want to take another picture, if you want to add one more picture in this PDF, you can click on the plus sign given at the top right corner. So by clicking on that plus sign, you can take the picture of another pages. If it is done, you can click on the next option given at the bottom right corner. So just click on next, your picture will be converted into the PDF format. Once you click on the next button, you can see it is asking for the file name. So you can provide whatever file name you want. So as it was a picture of computer book, so let's give a file name as computer. I have provided the file name computer. Once it is done, you can scroll down and you can see save document option is there. So you can click on that save document option. Now after clicking save, you can see the PDF for that file has been generated. Now at the bottom of your screen, you can see share option is given. You can click on the WhatsApp icon and then you can send this PDF file to those teachers whom you want to send this. So that's it. It's very simple. I hope you all will be able to understand and learn something from this video.